This past Saturday, the temperature dropped and the snow came down hard, signaling an official change in the season. But no amount of snow could stop Kentwood dog owners and their pups from celebrating the city's new dog park.
Hi, I'm Melissa.
This is Jason.
This is Bubba and Jackson. And we're really excited about this dog park because we're literally like right around the corner from here. And we've had to drive to downtown before, so
This is a lot closer. It's going to be great.
Yeah, we're really excited.
Yep.
We're Renee and Gary Guttrich, and this is Max Guttrich. And we're going to love this park because we're only about 2 miles away. And we love getting him out. And also, we don't have any other dogs at this time, so it's a great place for him to socialize.
The idea for the dog park was brought to the city of Kentwood earlier this year. Together, the community and the Kentwood Parks and Rec Department identified a need for the dog park and drew up a plan. The park features off-leash areas for dogs big and small, dog waste bins, water spigots, and benches. Mayor Stephen Kepley led the ceremony and shared the excitement of the canines and their owners.
We're so excited about the opening of this new dog park. We had done a survey for our citizens, and this was one of the main things they would like to see in the city of Kentwood is a dog park. So we heard, and now it's reality. And hopefully this is the first of many that will be happening in the city of Kentwood so that our dogs can have as much fun in the city of Kentwood as the adults do.
Kentwood's new dog park gives our four-legged friends the opportunity to be jovial, get some exercise, and socialize with other dogs in a safe and clean environment. It's another way the city of Kentwood is looking to create a better environment for all of its residents, those that walk on both 2 and 4 legs. For Local News Now Update, I'm Mike DeWitt.